Good day, sir. I am Adanil Sibas, a third-year criminology student from Section Alpha. I am going to tackle about what is TC, how does TC look like, and what are the salient features of TC. So, let's start. What is TC or therapeutic community? The therapeutic community, TC, is a supportive environment where individuals help others while receiving help themselves. Members take on a dual role, switching between being a client and a therapist, fostering empathy and personal growth. When struggling, they receive support. When assisting others, they provide guidance. This role reversal empowers members to develop social skills, emotional intelligence, and responsibility, promoting recovery and growth. Through community activities, members overcome challenges and achieve positive change. So, to sum up, the TC is more like a helping each others or a win-win situation where uh, you both have the what so-called benefits. So let's go to how does TC look like. The therapeutic community operates with the residents taking on various responsibilities under staff supervision, work assignments, or job functions. Are hierarchical based on seniority, progress, and productivity. Resident manage daily tasks like cooking, cleaning, and maintenance, as well as leading meetings and peer groups. The TC resembles a functional family with older members guiding younger ones, and each member having defined rules and responsibilities. Members also adhere to established rules and community norms, committing to uphold them upon entry. So, naka-hierarchy or naay level of seniority ang ato ang TC. So, let's go to what are the salient features of TC. Number one is the primary. Therapist and teacher is the community itself, consisting of peers and staff who, as role models of successful personal change, serve as guides on or in the recovery process. So, sila tong mga tao nga gatudlo. So, number 2 is TC adheres to precepts of right living, truth, honesty, here and now, personal responsibility of destiny, social responsibility like Brother Skipper, the moral code, inner person is good but behavior can be bad. Change is the only certainty. In the work ethics, self-reliance, psychological converges with philosophical, for example, guilt kills. So, number 3, it believes that TC is a place where one can change or unfold. The group can foster change. Individuals must take responsibility. Structures must accommodate this. Act as if go through the motion, like you need to follow the flow, go with the flow. So, number 4, there are 5 distinct categories of activity that help promote the changes. The rational behavior management and the the affective emotional psychological, the cognitive intellectual, and lastly is the spiritual psychomotor or the vocational survival skills. So that's all for my three chosen topic. Thank you, sir.